Hey, good morning YouTube. This morning the seat switch finally showed up for the B2650. That's the new tractor that we bought for over at the homestead. It's new to us. It's a 2018 with around 800 hours on it, but ever since we had it we've been having issues with the seat cushion. So from what I've read on Orange Tractor Talks and stuff like that, this seems to be a common issue for these tractors. So after a little bit of back and forth with the dealer, I bypassed the seat switch to verify that that was in fact the issue, because every time I was driving it, if I was cutting the grass, it would just cut out randomly. It got to the point that my wife couldn't even drive the tractor. As soon as she would engage the PTO, the tractor would shut off because she didn't weigh enough to activate the seat switch. So after talking with the dealer, they sent over a new seat switch, and we're going to go ahead and get it changed today, and I'll bring you guys along. For those of you wondering, the seat switch actually comes as a complete insert for the seat cushion for the B2650. So this is what it looked like when it came in the mail. There is the Kubota part number in case you have to order one. Okay, so at the back of the seat, this is going to be hard to see. You could just barely get your hand in here. But there's a 2-wire connector right here, small square connector. There's a little tab you have to depress on the connector to separate it. Should look like that when it's separated, and that is the connector for your seat switch. So once you've disconnected that, you can go ahead and move on to removing the seat cushion itself. Okay, next up is removing the seat cushion. Removing the seat cushion couldn't be any easier. If you for some reason thought you couldn't handle this job, the seat cushion with the switch built into it is actually velcroed in. So it's just a matter of lifting up on the cushion, separating the velcro, and unhooking this small clip at the back. Once that's done, you can go ahead and fish your wire out from underneath of the seat cushion. This is what you should have after you've removed it. There's a better shot of the connector. Okay, now that the old seat switch is removed, I went ahead and got the new seat switch out of the package. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fish the connector back through. So the connector has to go between the seat cushion and the rubber bellows below it. You don't want to go any lower than that because you could actually pinch the wire in the seat mechanism. So if you just kind of feel underneath, you'll feel where the seat cushion ends and where the rubber bellows begins. And you just want to, there's a little space in between the two, and you just want to fish your wire through that space. Once your wire's through, just kind of pull it in. Make sure that the top of the seat hooks into that small clip. And then push the bottom down back into the Velcro. And it's that easy. You're going to go ahead and put your connector back in and reconnect it, and you've successfully changed your seat cushion. If this helped you out at all, or if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.